Please subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. For more videos, please do comment below.
Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. These are before and after applying these presets.
Morandi is a famous Italian painter. His color scheme is known for saturation and brightness. The color of picture will be gentle and very eye-catching. This preset will bring you the peace of mind. First, let's take Lights panel. Exposure to 0.34. Then contrast to -39. Now highlights to 60. Change whites to 22. Now blacks to 34. Now select tone curve. Please follow my steps. Select Colors panel. In Mix panel, on red, change saturation to 45. Now select orange and change saturation to 13. On green, take saturation to -73. On aqua, adjust saturation to -77. On blue, hue to -23. Saturation 38. Luminance -19. On purple, hue to 47. At last, on magenta, take hue to 66, and saturation to 71. Copy the settings to your other photos, or you don't want to waste your time editing, use the free DNG, link in the description.